Hello PSI students. Now that the prelims is over, and I'm sure that all of you must have calculated your marks, I am not here to hazard any guess regarding the cutoff, but to say you that no matter where you lie on that spectrum of the cutoff, you must prepare for your optional, that is political science and international relations. And the crash course come test series targets the same. Here, you will not only write the test, but rather there will be a time bound revision of whole syllabus. We shall be going through the PYQs and then you shall be writing your tests, so that for your optional, your preparation is complete and wholesome. Let me just explain the features first of the crash course and then of the test series, so that you are assured that this program will ensure that you have a time bound preparation of the whole syllabus. When I am talking about the crash course has got two features. One is lectures, another is PYQs. Regarding these lectures, we have divided the whole syllabus into 6 segments. 3 segments in paper 1 and 3 segments in paper 2. And for each of these segments, we shall have 3 lectures. So total 6 into 3, that we have got 18 lectures only for the swift revision of whole syllabus. So here, suppose we are talking about Plato, Aristotle, or Hobbes or Locke, there are points that you might have mixed. So here, all the important ideas of Plato, Aristotle, Hobbes, Locke, Marx, Gramsci, we shall be discussing in the class, so that in case you have got any doubt in the class, you can ask it. But mind it, we have got only 3 lectures. So we need to be very fast, we need to be strategic, and we need to be very predictive. You will revise at your homes, you will come to the lecture, and whatever doubts you have got, you will ask in the class. We shall be discussing that, and in case it is some bigger doubt, naturally we shall be discussing that outside the class. Okay, so these 18 lectures and these 18 lectures does not include test discussions. Test discussions are separate lectures. Okay, so this will ensure swift revision of complete syllabus in a time bound manner. And here there will be lectures as well as notes. Regarding the static portion, you do not require notes because you already have notes, so you will be revising from there. But the recent cases like the Supreme Court judgment related to the governor or the president's questions to the Supreme Court, or related to the IR regarding Operation Sindoor, India USA trade talks, India UK trade talks, all those things we shall be discussing in the class, and you shall be getting notes on them as well. And not just that, suppose we have discussed Plato and Aristotle. So after discussing Plato and Aristotle, we shall be looking at the PYQs as well, so that अगर एक बार पढ़ाई हो गई तो उस क्वेश्चन को कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है. और हमने since 2013 to 2024 all these PYQs we shall be taking up, but again we have to be strategic. So we shall be focusing on those PYQs which you find difficult in attempting. हम क्या करेंगे, हम सिंपली उसका स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे. There can be a few PYQs whose structures you shall be making at home and submitting to me, so that I can go through. और अगर कहीं पे ज्यादा दिक्कत है, then outside the class naturally we shall be discussing. ठीक है, तो again we shall not be discussing each and every PYQs, but particularly those PYQs where you find difficulty or where the demand is not that explicit. तो इस तरीके से you are revising whole syllabus and you are going for revision of all those PYQs. Naturally, most of the revision work taken care of. And in case you have got some bigger doubts, because in the class the time is limited, so there will be naturally off class doubt resolution. After the lecture is over, I shall be saying that okay, come. or even if suppose there is a time constraint, I'll say that okay, you come on Sunday, you come on Monday, this time or that time, so that you get all your doubts resolved, even if your foundation was not that great. Okay, so this was the demand. Some of the toppers or some of the students, they had demanded last time that we want a course for time bound revision, and that is what we are taking care of. This is your crash course. Now let us move towards the test series. So you see, usually I used to keep it 4+4, but not this time. This time we have got 8 tests, but they are 6+2. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि आप 4 सेक्शनल टेस्ट कर लेते हो, उसके बाद जनरली यू डू नॉट अटेम्प्ट दोज फुल लेंथ. सो व्हाट आई डिड, मैंने फुल लेंथ को लास्ट में पुश कर दिया है, एंड हियर पेपर 1 3 टेस्ट्स and paper 2 3 tests, so that in the sectional test only in detail every topic is taken care of. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से naturally these tests will ensure that your answer writing is complete, not just through PYQs but also writing live tests. Naturally these tests, they will align with the crash course lectures, and I shall show you how. ठीक है, कि पहले अपन क्या करेंगे, पहले क्रैश कोर्स में उन्हीं लेक्चर्स को पढ़ लिया, रिवीजन हो गया, एक दिन का गैप रहेगा जिस दिन आप घर पे रिवाइज कर लो, एंड ऑन संडे यू सिंपली अटेम्प्ट द टेस्ट. वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूं अभी. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, वी शैल एंश्योर दैट विद इन अ वीक योर कॉपी गेट इवेल्युएटेड. ठीक है, इवेल्युएशन का टेंशन कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, एंड नेचुरली अगर कहीं पे कोई भी डाउट है, ठीक है, पीवाईक्यू अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो रही है, सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, बट स्टिल आंसर राइटिंग में देयर आर इश्यूज. क्योंकि मैंने अर्पित के साथ जो ये किया था, वो यूट्यूब पर आ जाएगा, उसमें रैंक 421 अर्पित चौधरी, उसे मैंने लिटरली डांटा था कि क्योंकि वो क्या करता था, अपने आंसर्स बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स करता था. तो इस तरीके से कैसे आंसर को सिंप्लीफाई करना है, हर एक पोर्शन को कैसे डिमांड को एड्रेस करना है, हेडिंग्स देनी है, सब हेडिंग्स देनी है, स्कीमेटिक डायग्राम्स बनाने हैं, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. उसके लिए क्या रहेगा, देयर विल बी पर्सनल मेंटरिंग एंड 1-to-1 पेपर डिस्कशन, सो दैट आपके स्पेसिफिक डाउट्स दे आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. एंड while during the test discussion, naturally your evaluated answer copies will be there with you, so that whatever test discussion is there, you can look into your copy, and whatever doubts you have got, you can directly ask me in the class itself, or naturally agar koi issue raha, then naturally outside the class. I hope it is sufficiently clear to you ki how this crash course cum test series shall be taking care of your revision प्लस आंसर राइटिंग. किसी भी तरह का छोटा मोटा अगर इशू है, या फिर इवन सम मेजर इश्यूज, सो दैट you are ready for your PSIR in the best possible manner. And this also helps in your ethics या फिर ऐसे जैसे कि अखिलेश रैंक 331. He only said कि sir, how you suggested the improvements in answer writing, that actually helped me with ethics, with essay, where he was successful in getting better marks. So इस तरीके से it is not just about PSIR but whole mains preparation. Now just look at the example that how your tests are aligned with crash course lectures. So just look at that. ठीक है, so this is a part of the schedule, and you can find this schedule on the website, and for your reference I shall be putting this schedule of both test series as well as crash course in the link below this YouTube video. Okay, so देखो सबसे पहले क्या है, प्रोग्राम 4 जून से स्टार्ट है, तो 4 जून 5 जून और 6 जून, in these 3 lectures we shall be completing Western political thought, Indian political thought as well as political ideologies. You will say कि possible कैसे है, I know मुश्किल है, but this is what we have to do. और ये कैसे होगा, first you will revise at your home. then you will come to the class, and in the class your focus will be mainly on asking doubts. I shall only be discussing, okay देखो प्लेटो है, प्लेटो की ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट आइडियाज हैं, इस आइडिया में ये बात है, ये बात है, ये बात है. These are some of the supporters of critic, these are some of the supporters of Plato, these are some of the critics of Plato. इस तरीके से हम कंक्लूड कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट अस गो बैक टू द PYQs. तो देखो इस तरह के PYQs आए हैं, ये वाले PYQ. जैसे इसमें से किस में दिक्कत हो रही है, दिस वन यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम विथ, ओके दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टू स्ट्रक्चर इट. ओके, सो देखो, once you have completed this whole revision on 4th, 5th and 6th, उसके बाद 7th of June will be a day for you to revise this portion. और उसके बाद जो 8th जून होगा योर फर्स्ट टेस्ट, एंड यू कैन सी कि ये सिलेबस और ये सिलेबस सिमिलर है. सिमिलरली उसके बाद क्या होगा, इसका डिस्कशन देखो हमने 14th जून को रखा है, सो दैट यू हैव 1 होल वीक, एक पूरा सप्ताह आपके पास रहेगा सबको अपने आंसर लिखने का. और उसके बाद फिर वी आर गोइंग फॉर टेस्ट डिस्कशन, सो दैट यू हैव एम्पल टाइम टू राइट, एंड देन वी हैव अ टेस्ट डिस्कशन, so that whatever your doubts are they are taken care of. उसके बाद क्या है, अगेन 11, 12, 13, यहां पे देखो जो 1A के जो बाकी टॉपिक्स हैं they will be revised. 11 को, 12 को, 13 को अगेन 3 लेक्चर्स के थ्रू अगेन इन दैट स्विफ्ट मैनर. लेकिन उससे पहले आपको क्या करना है, इससे पहले जो 8, 9 तारीख, 8 के बाद जो 9, 10 तारीख होगा, 9, 10 तारीख को यू हैव टू रिवाइज दिस सिलेबस. 9, 10 को आपने रिवाइज किया, उसके बाद आप क्लास में आए, वट एवर डाउट्स यू हैव गॉट यू आस्क्ड द डाउट, then again you went back, again you revised, then again you came back to the class, again you asked all the doubts. So through this syllabus PYQs everything is taken care of. और एक बार 13 को जब वो खत्म हुआ, then on 14th you have time for revision, and then on 15th June you will have your test 2, and again you can see कि दोनों का दोनों सिलेबस सेम है. ओके, सो इन दिस मैनर यू विल फाइंड दैट द whole course has been designed in such a manner that first you revise at your home, then you come to the class. In the crash course we shall be discussing everything, we shall be focusing on the PYQs, then you again one day for revision of the whole syllabus, this particular portion, and the next day you attempt your test. उसके बाद फिर एक सप्ताह हमारे पास टाइम है टू इवेल्युएट दैट, एंड देन 1-to-1 डिस्कशन विथ यू, एंड साइमल्टेनियसली वो जो सैटरडे रहेगा, सैटरडे को आपका टेस्ट डिस्कशन हो जाना है. ओके, सो दिस इज द होल स्कीम, सो दैट यू हैव कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ योर ऑप्शनल, दैट इज PSIR, in a time bound manner, strategically, everything taken care of. सब्जेक्ट का रिवीजन है, PYQ का डिस्कशन है, कंटेम्पररी इश्यूज हैं, उसके अलावा आंसर राइटिंग में इन केस यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, फॉर दैट आई एम हियर एंड आई शैल बी अवेलेबल, वेदर इट इज टेलीग्राम और इट इज व्हाट्सएप और इट इज इन पर्सन, एंड दिस इज फॉर बोथ ऑनलाइन एज वेल एज ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो आई होप दिस शैल बी able to address all your concerns, and apart from this any other concern, do reach out to me through any of the sources. You can come to the institute, we can discuss, we can focus on specific issues that you shall be facing, you might be facing, so that it is taken care of and you score well in your PSIR. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.